Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today, we're diving into the latest financial results of Cracker Barrel Old Country Store, a beloved American restaurant and retail chain. We'll explore their fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024 earnings, discuss the highlights, and analyze what these results mean for investors. Stay tuned for an in-depth look at Cracker Barrel's performance and future prospects. Curious to know more details on key takeaways and insights? Watch this video to find out. Executive Summary.
Cracker Barrel Old Country Store reported its financial results for the fourth quarter and full fiscal year 2024. The company saw a 6.9% increase in total revenue for Q4, reaching $894.4 million, partly due to an additional operating week. However, GAAP net income for Q4 decreased by 52% compared to the previous year. For the full fiscal year, total revenue increased by 0.8% to $3.47 billion, but GAAP net income declined by 59%. The company is focused on strategic transformation initiatives and has provided a cautious outlook for fiscal 2025.
Financial performance. What was the total revenue for the current quarter, and how does it compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
The total revenue for the current quarter, Q4 FY 2024, was $894.4 million, a 6.9% increase compared to the same period last year, which was $836.7 million. The increase includes a benefit of $62.8 million related to the 53rd week.
What were the GAAP and non-GAAP earnings per share (EPS), and how do they compare with the previous quarter and the same period last year?
GAAP earnings per diluted share for Q4 FY 2024 were 81 cents compared to $1.68 in the same period last year. Adjusted earnings per diluted share were 98 cents compared to $1.68 in the same period last year.
Segment performance. How did the major business segments perform in terms of revenue and growth compared to the previous periods?
Comparable store restaurant sales increased by 0.4%, including total menu pricing increases of 4.2%. However, comparable store retail sales decreased by 4.2% compared to the prior year quarter.
Cash flow and financial health. What are the key points of the balance sheets?
Key points of the balance sheets include total assets of $2.16 billion as of August 2, 2024, compared to $2.22 billion as of July 28, 2023. Cash and cash equivalents of $12.0 million, down from $25.1 million. Long-term debt increased to $476.6 million from $414.9 million. Shareholders' equity decreased to $440.1 million from $483.8 million.
What were the key points regarding cash flow from operating, investing, and financing activities?
Key points regarding cash flow activities include net cash provided by operating activities was $169 million. Net cash used in investing activities was $124.3 million. Net cash used in financing activities was $57.8 million.
Were there any changes in cash dividends or stock splits announced in the current quarter?
The company announced a quarterly dividend of 25 cents per share, payable on November 13, 2024, to shareholders of record as of October 18, 2024.
Strategic initiatives and partnerships. What were the major strategic initiatives, product launches, and partnerships announced in the current quarter?
Major strategic initiatives include operational excellence, enhancing the guest experience, optimized pricing, and a remodel program. The company is also planning to open 2 new Cracker Barrel stores and 3 to 4 new Maple Street Biscuit Company units in fiscal 2025.
Risk and challenges. What are the key risks and challenges highlighted in the report or discussed by the management?
Key risks and challenges include macroeconomic conditions, such as ongoing inflation, low consumer confidence, and high interest rates, which may adversely affect consumer behavior and cause actual results to differ materially from expectations.
Future outlook. What is the company's revenue and gross margin guidance for the next quarter or fiscal year?
The company provided a revenue outlook of $3.4 billion to $3.5 billion for fiscal 2025. Adjusted EBITDA is expected to be between $200 million to $215 million.
What are the expected operating expenses and other relevant financial projections for the next period?
Expected operating expenses include commodity inflation of 2% to 3% and hourly wage inflation of 3 to 4% compared to the prior year. Capital expenditures are projected to be between $160 million to $180 million.
Overall performance and investment prospects. Based on the financial results and strategic updates, what is the assessment of the company's overall performance?
The company's overall performance shows a mixed picture. While there was a revenue increase due to an additional operating week, the net income and earnings per share saw significant declines. The company is actively working on strategic initiatives to improve operational efficiency and guest experience, but faces challenges from macroeconomic conditions and inflation.
That's all for today's analysis of Cracker Barrel's financial performance and strategic initiatives. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch for more in-depth financial insights. Let us know in the comments if you think Cracker Barrel's strategic transformation will pay off in the long run. Thanks for watching. Boost your trading game with Interactive Brokers, a leading platform known for its advanced tools and low commissions. I've personally benefited from their fast execution and comprehensive market access. Click the referral link in the video description below to sign up and support this channel. Start trading smarter today with IBKR. Thanks for watching and happy investing.